Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Renegade trunk from the inside. First, you'll need to locate the emergency release handle. This small, often glow-in-the-dark lever is usually found on the inside of the tailgate. It's designed for situations where the electronic release isn't working or for emergencies. Always make sure your vehicle is safely parked before you try to open the trunk this way. Once you've found the handle, the next step is quite straightforward. Simply pull the emergency release handle firmly towards you. This action directly engages the mechanical latch, bypassing the electronic system. You should feel a distinct click as the tailgate unlatches. The trunk will then either pop open slightly or fully, allowing you to exit or access the cargo area. After pulling the handle and hearing the latch release, you can then push the tailgate open completely to exit the vehicle or access your belongings. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this emergency feature so you know exactly where it is and how it works if you ever need it. Remember, this method is strictly for emergencies or when the vehicle is stationary, never while driving. To quickly recap, opening your Jeep Renegade trunk from the inside involves finding the small, often glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle and pulling it firmly. This simple action will unlatch the tailgate, allowing you to open it. It's a vital safety feature for unexpected situations. Also, for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.